Okay guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1/18 Diecast model of Skoda Kodiaq. If you are not already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the model itself, 1/18 Diecast model of Skoda Kodiaq, and if you want to buy it, I'll put the link in the description. You can buy this model from ebay.com for $110 plus shipping and customs, and it has three color options: gold, brown and white, and I have ordered gold as you can see. And if you are not already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and let's get started. Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.